Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're doing, I guess my sister's fidgets.
You guessed the name of my fidgets.
I was gonna bring mine too, but the video is called I Guess My Sister.
It's I guess the name of my sister's fidgets. Okay, I'm gonna start really easy. What is this one?
Oh wait, and I'm saying, for these things, okay, mochis. These, we're gonna guess the mochi's name. Like this
And like the
is
animal.
dairy.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I know it's kind of a bit blurry.
Yeah, also sorry for that door. Okay. What is this one?
Profit. Square profit.
Here, you try it out. Wait, wrong side. Oh, that's nice. What about? Oh my gosh. This one.
Wait, should we do the other profits too?
Nah, because they're all called poppets. They just have different shapes.
So this is a Popic metallic white hexagon. Hexagon.
Oh my gosh, guys. So I was on TikTok and I just realized that this is not a hexagon. It's actually an octagon. I don't know why, but I just feel so dumb right now. This is also...
I'm pretty sure in the package it says octagon, right?
This is also a metallic brown, metallic orange octagon. Okay, what's this one?
Okay, I actually forgot this. I remember you talking about it before, like before we started this video.
Here, I'll show you.
I think it starts with an S, like squishy. Okay, that's kind of good.
Here, I'll give you a hint. Something with a S ends with a T, and then ball. Can you guess, or do you want to say for later?
I feel like I know it.
I thought this would be really easy, but I guess not.
Flat ball.
Yes!
Okay,
That's good.
And then we have pirates.
Okay, what are these called?
Mochi. This is Bob.
Yeah, this is Bob. This one, I wanted, oh my gosh, I can't get it out. I wanted to name it Date. Oh! No, its nose is coming off. No. Okay, it kind of makes it look bigger. Look how cute it is.
Sometimes I call him a panda.
Look how cute. Oh my gosh.
And the third mochi, it's
Daisy.
not.
No, the third one is that bunny daisy with the flower. This one,
The daisy one
is
is
snowflake.
mine.
This one is snowflake.
This is the third one.
My
it's actually mine. It's kind of the mascot now.
Yeah, we have a
A
thumbnail.
video ago or so. We said
My brother has 3 mochis. I have 2.
a video ago. We said that this is gonna be our new
Mascot.
yeah.
And like we put them all in our thumbnails.
And it's my
Okay.
favorite kind of mochi.
Okay, next one.
cutest mochi.
Next one. What is this called?
Wait, that's not it. Simple dimple.
Yes.
Or some people call it dimple.
Yeah.
Snapper. You're gonna try to take it.
Oh, that's nice. Snappers are for aggression. The more aggression, then the louder.
Oh,
Okay.
sorry. I just put it back.
Yeah, I just put them in a pile. What is this one?
Orbeez squish ball.
Well, I would call it an Orby ball because when I say Orby squish ball, that just sounds really weird for some reason.
It sounds long, but it sounds like
Okay, what is this one? This one is a DIY.
anti-pressure ring or acupressure ring.
This is a DIY. My mom showed you how to make these guys. So, yeah.
Wait, so what is it?
It's called a anti or acupressure ring. What is this one?
Monkey noodle.
Oh my gosh, yes.
Thick orange monkey noodle. I don't even think they got to see it. It's pretty long.
And then last one. This one. I can't show it.
What do you mean last one?
Because this is the last one. All the other fidgets, it's related.
Nightfall. Aaron's thinking buddy.
Yes. Oh, I just realized we have one more. Here, close your eyes. I'm going to show them what it is. This is what it is. And you have to guess the color.
Can I guess the creator's name?
Sure.
It's like Java or something. Java juice? I don't think it's on the slime. I'm pretty sure it's on the
Here,
box
show
of
it,
the slime.
you guys. Okay, I'll reveal it. Java Toy Splat Slime.
I'm pretty sure the creator was like...
Next one. Here, close your eyes. This is what it is, guys. I'll give you a hint. You love this.
It's like Florp Noise Buddy, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah. Yes.
I remember it's Florp, but I don't remember the first. I didn't remember.
Okay, what is this one? Something
Slime.
slime. Yes. And then this one.
Mini Rubik's Cube. Isn't that really a fidget kind of?
Yeah. Okay.
Alright, are Rubik's Cubes even a fidget? That one can't really turn. It's kind of like the fruit. It's kind of like the fruit. It's called again Rubik's Cube. But this one is kind of worse because it's tiny.
Okay, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to be notified when we upload new videos. Bye!